What's crazy? Hey, baby daddy. Ooh.
Oh shit, just like that in 2 seconds?
Huh?
I like your smile, I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you.
Trying to be my Valentine and shit? Valentine's coming up.
Ooh. He get straight to it. Go ahead, take the phone. Why? What's your name?
Shit. Alright, hey, how old are you?
I'm 22.
Shit, I do like my older women. I'm 19.
Ooh. Where you from?
I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas. Where y'all ladies from?
Miami.
Miami, tight shit. I should take a trip down there to see you. I ain't gonna lie.
You should come see me.
Hell yeah, definitely.
She get straight to it. I don't think you ready for that now.
Shit,
I don't think you know what you signing up for.
What do you mean by that?
Shit, what's your Instagram and shit?
Definitely. Oh. Which one of our Instagram you want? Or you want both of our Instagram?
Shit, I want her.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh.
Yeah. What's your Instagram?
Hey.
Yo. What you doing on Monkey App? Just bored?
Bored as hell.
Tight shit. Where you from?
I'm from Philly. Where you from?
Shit, I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
You like Vegas?
Yeah, it's alright. Just the weather's bipolar as f. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I stay in North Carolina. Same here.
Tight shit. How old are you?
Yeah. I'm 21.
21. Tight shit. I'm 19.
Yeah.
I do like my older women. I ain't
19.
gonna lie. Shit. How tall are you though?
Hi, I'm 5'1".
5'1". Shit, you fun size. I ain't gonna lie. I'm 6'6".
You lying.
No, I'm swear to God. I have hoop, all that type of stuff.
What's your Instagram?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
What you eat? Hey.
Yo. Damn. Where y'all ladies from?
Sorry.
I full.
We're from Florida.
Florida, tight shit. I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas.
You're in Vegas?
Yeah. How old are y'all ladies?
I thought that was
I'm 20.
20.
Oh, hell no.
Tight shit. All y'all 20?
Stop, I don't like that. I thought
Something like that.
What do you mean by that?
Y'all just on Monkey App, just bored and shit?
Yeah.
Tight
How about
shit.
you?
Same here. I ain't gonna lie. How tall are y'all ladies?
I'm 5'1".
God damn. What about you?
Oh, I'm 5'9".
Shit. I'm 6'6". I'm 6'6".
You're 6'6"?
Yeah.
That's a lie. Stand up next to your
Stand
door
up.
Man, everybody telling me to stand up. Okay, I got y'all.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I got y'all. Shit.
Annie!
Hold on.
He's
I'm 6'6".
Guys be lying about that. Look. No, she's getting it.
Oh, you be on your money like that?
Hell yeah. Tight shit. I ain't gonna lie, all y'all look good and shit. Drop me y'all Instagrams and shit.
I don't have Instagram right now, but
Y'all don't have Instagram?
I don't.
Damn, y'all got like Snapchat at least?
But you can follow me but when I get it back, it's
Hey.
Hey. What you doing on Monkey? Are you just bored?
Yeah.
Tight shit, same here. How old are y'all?
18.
18?
Yeah.
Tight shit, I'm 19 and stuff. Where you from?
Florida.
Florida, tight shit. I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas. How tall are you?
How tall am I?
Yeah.
I'm 4'11".
Damn, you fun size for sure. I ain't gonna lie. I'm 6'6".
Hold on, let me see. Stand up.
Damn, that's why I'm like, everybody asks me to stand up and shit. All right, I got you. I'm 6'6". But shit. Boom. Do that shit. But shit, I ain't gonna lie, you look good. But I ain't gonna lie, you look good 100% though. Yeah, less than 2 seconds and shit. But nah, give me your Instagram. I ain't gonna lie, you look good.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Where your phone at?
Y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
Yo,
yeah.
what you doing on Monkey Age? Just bored and shit?
Maybe.
Tight shit. How old are you?
I'm 18. What about you?
I'm 19.
For real?
Hell yeah. But shit, where you from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Shit.
What about you?
I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas though.
Must be nice.
Yeah, I'm surprised you stay in Arkansas. That is. But I can probably have some places. I ain't gonna lie, you look good.
Oh, thank you.
Of course.
I want to go to Vegas. My mom's trying to take me there one day.
Shit, I should take you to Vegas. We should. I can show you around places.
That would be like nice. That's sweet of you.
Alright, for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna add you and shit. You look good. You have a beautiful ass smile. I ain't gonna lie. You should give me your Instagram.
It's that.
Hey, definitely, you look good 100%.
Oh, thank you. You handsome yourself.
Alright, for sure. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
But hey, you have a good night.
You too.
Yo,
What's up?
what's good? What you doing on Monkey Air?
Take me. Bored as fuck.
Tight shit. Same here. How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are you?
I'm 19 and shit. Where y'all from?
We're from Dallas. It's
Dallas for sure. Okay, I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas though. How tall are you?
Who asked? I'm like 5'4", 5'5".
Damn, you tiny as shit. I ain't gonna lie. I'm 6'6".
Oh.
Who Android is that? No, that is crazy. That shit just caught me off guard. I ain't gonna lie. But shit, drop me on Instagram. I'm just act like I did not hear that. I ain't gonna lie. That shit just caught me off guard. I swear to God. But shit, drop me your damn Instagram.
Okay.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Yo. What y'all doing and shit? Y'all just bored on Monkey App and shit?
Did we just see you and you skipped out?
Shit, I'm sorry. I be skipping a whole variety of like black screens and like ceilings and shit. I ain't gonna lie.
We all in the camera.
I've been skipping way too fast, so that's on me. I apologize though.
What you doing?
But shit, I'm just chilling and shit. What y'all doing? Tight shit. How old are y'all ladies? 20? Shit, I do like my older women. I'm 19. Yeah, I'm 6'6". I can hoop.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Stand up. Oh, okay.
Damn, everybody telling me to stand up. All right, I got y'all.
And go to the door. Come on.
Go to the. I can just touch the ceiling for 2 seconds. Hold on. Be like,
Damn!
boom. Tight shit. But yeah, I'm tall as fuck and shit. I'll tell y'all ladies. What's my Instagram? All right, I got you. Hold on. But yeah, tell me when y'all ready.
I'm ready.
All right, so.
Oh my God!
Are you famous or something?
Nope.
Where you got 35K? You say 600K on TikTok?
I ain't really famous. I just make money and shit. I hoop and make money.
Okay, I respect you.
Yeah.
Ooh, Reese's over any other chocolate. I don't fuck with that.
Well, you don't fuck with Reese's?
Nah, I'm more of a Kit Kat kind of girl.
Kit Kat? Okay, nah, okay.
If you don't follow back, we gonna unfollow.
Nah, I'll follow it. Each and second one you're back.
The hell? Hello?
Yo.
Hi.
What you doing on Monkey App?
Nothing. I'm just honestly bored.
Same here. I ain't gonna lie. Where you from?
Michigan, where you from?
I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas.
Vegas? Okay.
Yeah. How old are you? How old are you?
18. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, you 19? Okay. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Hell
When's
yeah.
your birthday?
Birthday November 6th.
What month?
November 6th.
November. Okay.
Yeah, when your birthday?
I'm an Aries in April.
April, tight shit. How tall are you?
About like 5'3".
Damn. You
What?
size.
That's tall?
But no, I'm 6'6". I ain't gonna lie.
6'6". You're lying.
No, I swear to God.
Stand up.
Stand. Everybody telling me to stand up and shit. Hold on. Hold on, because I can touch. Hold on.
I have to see this.
Shit. Boom.
Oh my
6'6".
gosh,
Hell yeah.
You is tall.
Oh God, I am.
That's cool.
But I ain't gonna lie, you look good. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you.
Of
I
course.
feel like,
Shit.
I've been looking shitty for the past couple of days, so I had to get cute.
But shit, drop me on Instagram. I ain't gonna lie, you look good, 100%.
All right, bet. I don't even be on Instagram, but
You. Shit, what you doing on Monkey? I just bored and shit.
Damn, I can't hear you. And you fine too. What the fuck?
Hey, you fine as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, I really can't hear you, but I can see you on my phone though.
Then you can't hear me? You can't hear me? Ah, damn, bro.
I can't hear you.
Damn.
I got you though.
But yeah, drop me on Instagram. Fuck, bro.